Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple has just rolled out the release candidate aka RC versions of the upcoming iOS 18.4, iPadOS 18.4 updates to developers for testing. This follows the release of the fourth beta just a week ago. Developers with compatible devices can download the updates by heading to the Settings app, navigating to General Software Update, and then opting in. iOS 18.4 introduces Priority Notifications, a new Apple Intelligence feature designed to identify and highlight your most important notifications in a dedicated section on the lock screen for easier access. It's worth pointing out that the update also adds an Apple News Plus food section for Apple News Plus subscribers, featuring recipes, restaurant-related articles, and more. Additionally, a scale style has also been added to Image Playground, allowing users to create hand-drawn style images. Apple Intelligence expands to support more languages including French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Brazil, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, and simplified Chinese alongside localized English for Singapore and India. New emoji characters are included, and a Vision Pro app debuts, allowing Vision Pro headset owners to download content, manage settings, and control guest experiences directly from the iPhone. On iPad, mail categorization has been expanded, reorganizing emails into categories like promotions, updates, and transactions. A new ambient music feature has also been introduced, enabling users to play relaxing music directly from their control center. Apple plans to release iOS 18.4 and iPadOS 18.4 to the public in early April. The RC version represents the final build that will roll out unless additional issues are discovered.